I'm going to try to capture the pop that comes out of the intake when it revs. Intake. Car is pretty much in good condition otherwise. And as you can see, it's not happening. It only happens when it's warm. Alrighty, now it's warm. So, once again,